So in this video we're going to be making chocolate covered beef jerky. So what I got over here is I've got just a little setup of like a double boiler with some milk chocolate. I've made some chocolate covered jerky before, but I'm kind of like in a new realm out here in my shop. Just trying to get her going. If you've never had chocolate covered jerky, and let's say you give it away for a gift, or you got it set up at a craft show or you're selling jerky, you're gonna get two reactions. Ooh, I don't know about that. And then you're gonna get, oh my god, when you gonna make some more? So this right here is some jerky that I made yesterday, some fresh beef jerky. What I'm gonna do here is try to skewer one so I can dip it. Only thing I gotta worry about is the weight of the chocolate pulling the jerky off the toothpick. Like that. Right here on the. We're gonna make some just plain chocolate covered. Then we're gonna make some with pecans on it. A few different kinds we're gonna make. Then we're gonna have someone special come over and try it out. Let's go ahead and get some with some pecans on it. Well, crap. Alright, well that was crazy, wasn't it? Let me just dip some more here. You know, good things come from bad things that happen, so I needed to really clean this countertop up good, and well, now I was able to. That right there. Try to keep it all right there in that one spot so it don't flatten out on the bottom. Now when you're making a double boiler, all you have to do is just put, afraid to touch it, just get you a pan with boiling water. You want to turn it down to where it's not boiling anymore. Put you another pan on top of it. It's not supposed to be touching the water, but you know, I'm kind of limited out here what I can do. So mine's touching the water. Now we're going to get us another piece of jerky, and we're going to put this thing down here in this chocolate. We're going to coat it up real good. We're going to go ahead and put some more pecans on this one. Like that. Yeah. Yeah. I tell you what's going to be good. After it's over with and I'm cleaning up all this chocolate out of this pan, I'll be eating it. I love chocolate. And just for giggles, get online and look up chocolate dipped beef jerky and see how much it sells for. And you'll be like, oh my gosh, I'm fixing to save a lot of money and make somebody really, really happy. Hey, chocolate covered toothpicks would be good. Put you some chocolate covered toothpicks in with the chocolate covered beef jerky so they can clean their teeth when they get done, right? Heck yeah. Do this on a few of them. And when you buy this stuff already made up, it's usually going to be a small piece, about like that. They're usually going to cut them in like 1-inch pieces, but I like to I like it whenever you bite into it, the chocolate falls off, it's landing on you, you're just making a big old mess out of it. The jerky's chewy. Great Valentine's gift. If you can hear me, I'm going, it's because my mouth is watering. My mouth is watering right now thinking about eating this. Alright, this is a little tricky right here. Get this done. This is actually salted caramel. Alright. right, there's salted caramel. If you need to get some boxes to put this in, then you can go to the Dollar Tree. They usually have some boxes around the holidays that you can get to put gifts and whatnot in. And it'd be great to put this in for somebody. Or you can serve it up on a tray. Whew, that's hot. Hot! Hot! You! I'm gonna put some on one of these right here too. Look at that. Buddy, that was good. I think I'm gonna put it on that one too. That'll help hold them nuts in place, right? Alright. Now time for the taste test. Test of a taste. Alright, we got Matt here. He's going to try some of this chocolate covered jerky. I hope he likes it. Okay, what we got is just milk chocolate with powdered sugar. We got just milk chocolate. We've got caramel and white chocolate and milk chocolate. And then we got white chocolate, milk chocolate with pecans. Yeah. These are pecans.
Well, we got to make sure that the beef jerky is good first.
Okay.
You can't. If the beef jerky is no good, then what's good is chocolate. Okay.
Jerky ain't no good.
Hope it's better with chocolate on it. No, that's real good. But if you never had some advanced jerky, then you're missing out anyway.
No, wait a minute. What would you do for Valentine's Day? Shay came in with a box and you opened it up and it had chocolate covered beef jerky that looked like this. Before you ate any, or you never tried it before, what would you do?
Well, first of all, I'd probably cry a little bit because I loved her so much. And then I'd be like, why don't we just get married again? Because I want to make sure that it happened the first time if you're going to bring me this stuff. Because anybody that brings you this really loves you. All right, let's see what we got here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
It's delicious. It's delicious. Like I was telling about earlier, it's a sweet and salty mix. You got the salt from the beef, and the sweetness from the chocolate, and then the pecans that are on there.
Mm-hmm.
You got crunchiness with that. Got all the things a man loves on it.
So when I was making this, I was thinking about some chocolate covered toothpicks too, to go with this. If somebody does make this for their special person, to have a chocolate covered toothpick, so when they get done eating, they can dig the jerky out with a chocolate covered toothpick. Sea salted caramel, white chocolate, milk chocolate, and jerky.
Sea salt caramel is one of my favorites.
Salute.
Yeah, man. Now is the beef jerky just regular stuff?
Just my traditional beef jerky. But I added a little bit of cayenne in there, but I didn't add enough, so there's not enough heat. So I wanted it to be a sweet, salty, spicy, but I didn't put enough cayenne in there for it.
Your habanero jerky, chocolate covered habanero jerky.
Oh, that would have been good. The recipe for this, I'll leave that in the video description. As far as the beef jerky, I'll leave that in there for you.
What if you deep fried this after that? After you dipped it in chocolate and then battered it in like a pancake mix or something and deep fried that?
That would be daggone awesome. Yeah.
I think we'd put us at stroke level though, wouldn't it? Put us up there at stroke level?
Where you get it? 1 to 10.
12.
12?
Yeah, that's good. Hey, I'm telling you, you guys, you should put down in the comments, get Ben to make this, and then he needs to sell it for Valentine's Day. Well, this little spread here, it's taking 5 days to make one thing.
Be some expensive stuff.
But it'd be worth. That's good.
Yep.
What? No, this is just a white chocolate
That's
drizzle.
just white chocolate, and the rest of it is just. So all that's left is just like milk chocolate, and then a milk chocolate with a white chocolate. But y'all leave a comment in the comment section down below and tell me what you think about it. Would you try it? Have you tried it? Do you like it? And tell Matt thanks for.
If you don't like it, then just don't comment, because you make. If you don't like it, there's something wrong with you.
Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now, and you come back. So yeah, take you some home for
Shit,
or whatever, dude.
I might. I need.